Yep.
Just press.
It's recording right now.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so we are here at the Encore Hotel. We just got here in Vegas. Crypto Kings. We will be meeting with our Las Vegas Crypto Kings team, and we're gonna have fun tonight. We're gonna go and hit the clubs. We're gonna order bottle service at what is it? Apex, formerly the Ghost Lounge, or Ghost Bar, or at Daria's, and we're gonna record that for your viewing pleasure. We are gonna use cryptocurrency to pay for our bottle service, our $1,500 bottle service. So we're gonna rock it big. But what I want to put on video is over here. Is this beautiful Paris. Okay. They tell me that the pools are heated here. The pools are open. Oh, I guess we can. Oh, pool closed. It's closed. So there's a beautiful grand terrace out here, garden. But we are here at the Wynn Encore Hotel. All right, so I'll talk to you guys later. All right, bye-bye.